Well, this is a basic rule of growth and development. Whatever phase you are in your life, if you want professional success or if you want, success in your business, you have to invest in certain things. Now, in this video, we will talk about that what do you have to invest in order to become a successful digital marketer or to have a successful digital marketing for your business. See, investment in anything, like it kind of downs people because investment is something which is involved in some sort of risk. It involves money. But the point is that we have always been investing throughout our lives. Our parents have been investing in our education since we started school. Then we pay lots of rupees for our college, then maybe for some post graduation. Then we kind of expect to get jobs and placements. Then also we have to invest in certain things like get mutual funds or such stuff like that. But the point of this video is that there has to be certain investment for your digital marketing journey, and that investment starts right from you to different kinds of things. So the very first thing that you have to invest is number one, tools and softwares. See, digital marketing is very much related to technology and how it can outdone manual work. So there are certain tools and softwares that you need to invest in digital marketing tools. These tools, these softwares will take you on an edge from all of the different people that are not using. These tools and softwares are designed to take over the conventional source of marketing. For you to be a digital marketer, and if you can understand tools and softwares and how to do automation of stuff, some of the things these can be managed just by 5 minutes of work. The whole management thing can be just managed by those tools and softwares, which will require just small amount of your manual time, but will give you results of literally a team. So you have to also treat those tools and softwares in which you are investing as a payment to your team, right? You have to just take them as a part of your team who you are paying to do things for you. The second thing is that you have to invest in mentors or courses. Courses are not necessary, but mentors is a must. Why? Because you need to be successful, and in order to be successful, you need to surround yourself with people who are already successful doing the same stuff. So you have to find different ways to be involved with such people. Like you can get a paid mentorship, or you should attend those seminars, those events. In those particular seminars and events, you'll be making your own network. You will be surrounding yourself with people who are already doing that. So your growth will be in their presence. So make sure that you are not just being alone in your journey. You should learn to involve others in your journey as well. In this way, there is certain exchange of information, and it's a win-win for everyone because they have certain information they will give you in which you will benefit, and you might have something useful that you can give them. So in this way, this is a recipe for growth. Like there is no big man alone. Like there is a saying that if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, have a team. So always have a team, have those mentors, surround yourself with people who are already successful doing the same stuff. Third thing is time, guys. You have to invest in time. Rome wasn't built in a day. Apple wasn't a multi-billionaire industry just by starting, and neither will you become successful just starting it, right? Just when you get started, you won't be successful. You will have a lot of challenges, you will have a lot of roadblocks, but the point is that you don't have to quit on your journey. That is the whole point of digital marketing. You will only learn while facing those challenges, and those challenges will require a lot of time to solve. And within the time that you are solving all of these things, this will add up to your skill set. Like it can be any strategy, it can be any roadblock or anything related to your client or your business. The point is that you have to give it time. Like today's video, guys, if you are attending this page or channel for the very first time, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, that follow button, and don't forget to follow me on my podcast, because I am updating lots of lengthy and in those information content that is found nowhere. So stay till the end. Bye bye.